Welcome to Factory Direct Wholesale, the largest importer of premium massage chairs in the United States. Introducing the ultra-luxury zero-gravity massage chair by Best Massage. Designed with the latest technology and loaded with features. Equipped with advanced 2D smart chair technology, the ultra-luxury zero-gravity massage chair detects the size of the user and continually gathers data to adjust the massage to the individual. This smart chair is one smart choice. The four-wheel 2D technology has a maximum stretch space of 2.4 inches and maximum stretch angle of 41 degrees. Get an all-over massage or switch to manual mode to adjust the width of the massage and target one location to get the most relief possible. The chair boasts one of the longest SL-shaped rails in the industry at 53 inches long. The S-curve fits the natural curvature of the spine, while the L-shape takes the traditional flat rail and bends it to effectively massage the buttocks and hamstrings. Intelligent mechanical massage hands imitate a professional massage therapist with 5 selectable massage techniques, including shiatsu, kneading, flapping, knocking, and simultaneously kneading and flapping. You choose the technique that's best for you. The chair is fully equipped with 28 strategically placed pressure massage airbags. The line-type arm and shoulder massage has 12 airbags to apply focused air pressure to key trigger points in the hands, wrists, forearms, upper arms, and shoulders. With 4 airbags for your calves and 12 biomechanically designed airbags for your feet, you will experience a full 360-degree coverage compression massage for maximum rejuvenation and blood circulation in your lower legs and feet. Advanced roller technology for the soles of the feet simulates a gua sha massage delivering unprecedented comfort and relaxation. 8 biomagnets throughout the chair use the latest advances in magnetic therapy to help restore circulation, magnetic balance, and pH balance at the cellular level. Equipped with carbon fiber infrared heating technology, the heat therapy mode provides temperatures of 104 to 120 degrees to relieve cold, sore muscles and rejuvenate cellular energy, leaving you feeling refreshed and with greater mobility after your massage. Engage zero gravity mode and the chair will recline to an angle of 118 degrees. The leg rests automatically adjust, placing the legs higher than the heart to maximize blood flow. You'll have a feeling of weightlessness while the increased pressure on the back's mechanical hands provides a deeper tissue massage. Zero wall technology means the chair slides forward slightly when reclined, allowing you to place it within 2 inches of a wall, taking up far less space than traditional massage chairs. Rear casters allow the chair to be easily moved from room to room. The chair is fully adjustable to accommodate users between 5 feet and 6 feet 3 inches. The pillow adjusts to your preferred height and is removable to allow for greater intensity of neck massages. The easy-to-use LED remote has 6 pre-programmed massage modes to choose from. Comfort mode, relax mode, relief mode, neck and shoulder mode, back and waist mode, and demo mode. Or use manual mode to simply customize your massage to your preferred settings. Do yourself and your body a favor. Take the next step toward the healthier, active lifestyle you desire with massage therapy from the ultra-luxury zero-gravity massage chair by Best Massage.